There's 29er Juliet number 3, follow a Bonanza, 2 mile final, runway 31, clear to land.
Alright, number 3, I'll look for the Bonanza, clear to land, 3129 Juliet. Diamond Star 660 Papa Sierra taxi, Yankee 1 for runway 31.
November 660 Papa Sierra, Palo Alto Tower, hold short, runway 31, landing traffic. I'm sorry, 660 Papa Sierra, Palo Alto Tower. I'm sorry, 660 Papa Sierra, Palo Alto Tower.
Diamond Star 660 Papa Sierra, lining up and taking off runway 31.
I'm sorry, 0 Papa Sierra, hold position. Sierra's 29er Julia, go around traffic on the runway.
Unbelievable. 29er Julia going around.
Sierra's 29er Julia, did you want to execute missed approach or did you want to stay visual?
Stay visual at this point, 29er Julia.
Sierra's 29er Julia, IFR cancellation is received.
Is this guy taking off underneath me, 29er Julia?
Sierra's 29er Juliet, affirm when able, right crosswind is approved.
Right crosswind is approved. Please tell me you're taking a number on this guy, 29er Juliet.
We are, sir. Sierra's 29er Juliet, I will call your base.
Please call the base. Thank you, 29er Juliet.
Thank you. Sierra's 29er Julia, tighten up your downwind. Expect to extend past the amphitheater. We do have extensions into Moffitt's airspace. I will still call your base.
All right, let me know. I'm not that familiar with this airspace, 29er Juliet.
Number 29er Julia, no worries. Just extend past the amphitheater. The amphitheater is at your 1 o'clock and 2 miles just off your right.
Yeah, inside, 29er Juliet.
Number 29er Julia, roger. I'll call your base.
Roger, 29er Juliet.
Number 29er Julia, traffic to follow is on the left base over that amphitheater. Altitude indicates 700 descending. Advise traffic in sight.
Looking, 29er Juliet.
I'm sorry, 660 Papa Sierra, Palo Alto Tower.
Diamond Star 660 Papa Sierra, go ahead.
There's 29er Julia, base turn is approved. You are now number 2, runway 31, clear to land.
Base turn approved, number 2, clear to land, 31 at 29er Juliet.
I'm sorry, 0 Papa Sierra, how do you hear this transmission?
Diamond Star 660 Papa Sierra, say again. Papa Sierra has trouble with his radio.
I'm sorry, 660 Papa Sierra, standby, remain this frequency.
Frequency, Papa 660 Papa Sierra.
Sierra 29er Julia, traffic to follow is approaching short final. You have traffic in sight.
1329 Juliet. Traffic inside 29 Juliet.
Copy. Diamond Star 660 Papa Sierra, traffic over slack, altitude indicates 3000, orbiting type unknown, remain this frequency.
Looking out for traffic, remaining on frequency, Diamond Star 660 Papa Sierra.
Diamond Star 0 Papa Sierra, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles southeast, southeastbound, altitude indicates 3100, type unknown.
Traffic inside, 0 Papa Sierra.
Diamond Star 0 Papa Sierra, how do you hear?
0 Papa Sierra, read you 4 now.
Diamond Star 0 Papa Sierra, when able, contact Palo Alto Tower for pilot deviation. Advise ready to copy phone number.
I'm already on Palo Alto Tower, 0 Papa Sierra.
Diamond Star 0 Papa Sierra, advise when you're ready to copy the phone number.
Ready to copy. Sierra Papa Sierra.
Diamond Star 0 Papa Sierra, when able, call.
Sierra Papa Sierra.
There's 29 Juliet, contact ground.
To ground, thanks for the help. 29 Juliet.
Thank you.
There's 229er Juliet, Palo Alto ground tax, Ram Zulu, right turn Yankee 2, suggest Juliet. Sorry for the go around. That aircraft took off without a clearance ahead of you, and will be given the possible pilot deviation for that. We knew he was having radio issues. We saw him doing that. I was the one to make sure that you got the go around signal in a timely manner. If able, just keep it growing past Bravo without delay for the aircraft exiting. And yeah, he's going to get in trouble by the sounds of it from the reports higher up, but I'm not the authority. Here's Juliet. If you want a phone number to call the tower to make a complaint against the other aircraft, I can provide that if you need.
Hello, at the ground. Here's 29 Juliet. Ready to copy that tower number.
Here's 200 Juliet. For Palo Alto Tower, since you're not in the brasher or other stuff and you might want to talk to the manager at a later point, the phone number would be area code.
Alright, great. All I got was that he was a Diamond Star. I didn't get the tail number.
660 Papa Sierra.
I got it. Thanks so much for the help. Appreciate it.
And if you need any further assistance, have any questions, feel free to call, and you can call on ground, or if you need to call on the tower number, we'll help you out as best we can.
I appreciate it. I mean, that's not your fault, obviously. That was just unbelievable. Julian.
Agreed. Have a safe night.